Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into video number 258, How to Fix Credit Card Minimum Payment Increase, 2025. If you've noticed your credit card minimum payments creeping up, you're not alone. With potential economic changes in 2025, like rising interest rates or new regulations, many folks are facing higher monthly bills that can throw off your budget. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through simple, effective steps to get things under control. Let's jump right in. First off, understand what a minimum payment increase means. It's the lowest amount you must pay each month, and if it rises, it's often due to factors like unpaid balances, interest hikes, or changes in your credit score. This can lead to more debt over time, so acting fast is key. Step 1. Review your statements. Grab your latest credit card bill and look for any changes in the minimum payment amount, interest rates, or fees. This gives you a clear picture of what's happening and helps you spot errors. Step 2. Contact your credit card issuer. Pick up the phone or log into your account and talk to a representative. Politely explain your situation. They might offer hardship programs, temporary reductions, or even refinance options. Remember, they're often willing to negotiate to keep you as a customer. Step 3. Create a budget and payment plan. Track your expenses to free up more cash for payments. Aim to pay more than the minimum to reduce interest and pay off debt faster. Tools like budgeting apps can make this easier. Step 4. Consider balance transfers. If you qualify, move your balance to a card with a lower interest rate or a 0% introductory offer. This can buy you time to pay down debt without the increased minimums biting into your wallet. Finally, work on improving your credit score. Pay bills on time, keep credit utilization low, and avoid new debt. Over time, this could lead to better terms on your cards. There you have it. Practical steps to tackle that minimum payment increase head-on. If you follow these, you'll be in a stronger financial position by 2025. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.